Hey there, future millionaires, and welcome to today's absolutely free crash course on mastering the art of becoming a successful user-generated content creator. If we haven't had the pleasure of meeting yet, hello, I'm your name, and I'm thrilled to share what I've learned from diving deep into this space. I started creating UGC content early on, helped countless brands scale their advertising, and learned precisely what repeatable systems actually deliver results. Today, I am dropping a completely updated playbook because this creator economy keeps evolving, especially with powerful new tools like artificial intelligence, making it simpler than ever. My quick promise to you is that everything shared today is the exact no-fluff strategy I would give to my closest friend trying to make this a real business. If you appreciate this free value and want to support me, please hit that like button and subscribe so I can continue creating these in-depth courses for everyone. But seriously, no pressure at all. Let's dive right into the core of what UGC actually means in today's market. UGC simply stands for User-Generated Content, which you should think of as organic, relatable videos that brands desperately want for their ads and social feeds. The absolute beauty of this model is that brands care zero about your follower count. They only care if your content feels trustworthy and genuinely sells the product. You do not need a professional, expensive camera setup, you don't need thousands of followers, and you can truly launch this from anywhere with practically zero initial investment. Now let's talk about the money side of things, because I know that is what everyone really wants to hear about right now. Beginner UGC creators typically start charging anywhere between $50 and $150 for a single, high-quality video piece. But once you secure a few steady clients and build out a solid portfolio, you can confidently command rates in the $300 to $500 range per video. When you begin factoring in usage rights, exclusive voiceovers, or cleverly bundled service packages, small creators are routinely landing deals exceeding $1,000. If you can successfully complete just a couple of those higher-tier packages every single week, you are absolutely replacing a comfortable full-time income. And incorporating AI tools to increase your production speed means you can scale even further, taking on more clients for faster delivery at those premium rates. Okay, so the very first essential item you must secure is a strong professional UGC portfolio to showcase your abilities. Crucially, you do not need any prior paid client work to build this foundational portfolio, which is great news. Just look around your immediate space right now. Maybe it's a favorite skincare item, a healthy snack, or some tech gadget you love. Your task is to create 3 to 5 short, sharp clips demonstrating different video formats that brands look for in your style. Think about a hands-only application demo, a short voiceover testimonial, a close-up product in hand shot, or even a visually appealing flat lay with stylish captions. The entire objective here is to make the potential client easily picture you creating amazing content specifically for their company. It is important to keep the overall vibe of your portfolio consistent with your personal brand. So don't mix beauty with heavy machinery videos. However, you should absolutely vary the content style within that niche, mixing in demos, testimonials, quick montages, and text-heavy clips. If you are looking for a fantastic shortcut to speed up this crucial portfolio building phase, consider using AI to chop up your footage. That is precisely where a dedicated platform like Vizard truly shines, as it automatically finds the best, most engaging moments from a long video automatically. Instead of manually scrubbing through an entire hour of raw footage, these tools pinpoint the most viral-seeming snippets so you can create a polished portfolio remarkably fast. Next up, you need to pick your niche and overall style with clear intention, even though you don't have to pigeonhole yourself forever. Are you naturally drawn to the beauty space, fitness routines, pet products, or maybe technology aimed at other creators like us? If you genuinely enjoy a mix of topics, simply ensure the overall visual vibe remains consistent so brands can easily envision you working with them. If you find yourself completely stuck on ideas, leverage AI prompts and tools like ChatGPT to generate profitable niche suggestions based on your interests. The AI will certainly provide excellent starting points and even draft basic scripts, but never forget that AI is a writer, not your camera operator. You are still absolutely required to go out and shoot high-quality, authentic footage for the final product to be effective. Now let's break down the actual process of creating content, which really boils down to 2 main methods: manual creation or AI-assisted production. The reality is that the most successful creators today are usually mixing and matching the best parts of both approaches seamlessly. Let's look at AI generation first, because honestly, Some of the video creation capabilities available now are truly mind-blowing for speed. There are amazing platforms that will auto-generate UGC-style videos directly from a simple product page link or a basic text prompt. While these tools are incredible for rapid testing or creating mock-ups, a significant drawback is that they can often look slightly synthetic or just too generic for top-tier clients. Furthermore, those subscription costs or per-video charges from these specialized AI platforms can quickly start to stack up against your budget. Where many AI-only platforms fall short is in overall workflow management, often failing to handle scheduling or calendar organization elegantly. This is precisely where integrating them with a powerful tool like Vizard becomes incredibly potent for managing speed alongside your entire workflow. Vizard takes your long recordings or your entire batch of footage, whether it's real or AI created, and auto-edits the absolute best clips for you. It then proceeds to auto-schedule those clips and maintain a centralized content calendar, giving you both speed and superior organization in one spot. Now, let's walk through the manual workflow, which is still my personal go-to for that signature authentic feel. I shoot everything I use on my phone, and frankly, a modern iPhone is often the easiest path because the footage inherently looks correct on social platforms. Whenever possible, I record in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second to give myself maximum flexibility in post-production editing. I specifically utilize both the 1x and the ultra-wide 0.5x lenses to introduce visual variety into the final edit. The 0.5 lens is fantastic for creating creative in and out effects, while the 1x lens is perfect for those tight, focused product close-ups you need. My preference is heavily weighted towards using beautiful, abundant natural light, such as sunlight from a window or shooting outdoors for that authentic look. You truly do not need that harsh ring light unless you are specifically aiming for that very particular, highly stylized influencer aesthetic. Spend time shooting a varied batch of raw B-roll. Get close-ups, shots of hands interacting with the product, a quick genuine reaction, and some nice flat lays. The key is to keep every single clip short, visually interesting enough to stop a scroll, and versatile enough for multiple uses. Then, you load all that raw footage into a free editing app like CapCut or InShot and begin adding your strong opening hook, narration, and clean text overlays. Stick to classic, highly readable fonts for your text, because over-designing your graphics can actually distract from your core message. Personally, I lean heavily towards voiceover over B-roll videos because they remove the pressure of doing talking head segments while still feeling incredibly intimate. This is where Vizard perfectly enhances that exact manual flow by taking your raw footage and automatically finding all those high-performing segments. This automation means your raw hour-long recording session can be transformed into 10 to 15 truly post-ready clips in a matter of mere minutes. After that, you simply set your desired posting frequency and let the system auto-schedule everything across all your designated platforms. Vizard expertly handles the cross-platform timing and keeps your entire content calendar visible in one unified dashboard, eliminating spreadsheet chaos. Let's quickly revisit those creator pricing tiers. Beginners start at that $50 to $150 mark, intermediates hit $300 to $500, and packages climb past $1,000. With Vizard managing the heavy lifting of editing and scheduling, you can easily transition from making a few clips weekly to offering lucrative monthly retainer packages to clients. That ability to automate the repetitive tasks is exactly how you scale up toward running a successful agency or a small team without immediately burning out. Here is where other tools often fail. Some AI generators are good for mock-ups, but totally lack robust scheduling systems or that necessary human element. Other simple script writing AIs like ChatGPT won't even touch the actual video editing part of your required workflow, leaving you hanging. Traditional freelance platforms and editors can be notoriously slow, expensive, and simply not built for the high-volume UGC model we are discussing. Vizard bridges that critical gap by intelligently finding the best moments, automating the editing, scheduling the posts, and centralizing all your content data. It is the true difference between performing every single task manually versus operating with a system explicitly designed to scale your output effectively. When it comes to actually finding your first batch of paying clients, I focus on 4 primary places where brands are actively looking for UGC creators. First, use targeted Instagram and TikTok searches by looking up hashtags like #UGC creator or #UGC needed to see who is hiring right now. Second, head over to established freelance sites like Upwork and filter your search results for roles like UGC video creator to find immediate projects. Third, set up a clear, compelling gig on Fiverr that showcases your specific video styles and clearly lists your starting packages and rates. Fourth, explore the various creator marketplaces and platforms specifically designed to connect brands directly with emerging talent like yourself. An often underrated but highly effective method is simply creating your own organic content that showcases your UGC results and proves your skill level. Honestly, I much prefer when brands reach out to me directly because that inbound lead immediately allows me to charge higher premium rates. Now, for pitching clients effectively. Remember that a short, incredibly clear message always beats a long, overly formal, or fancy proposal. Here is a simple, effective template you can adapt immediately for DMs or initial outreach emails to various brands you admire. Start with, "Hey brand name, I'm a UGC creator specializing in your specific niche, and I would love to create 3 short, compelling videos that match your voice and drive sales." Follow that up immediately with, "Here is a direct link to my portfolio." Link, and then conclude with your next step offer. End the pitch by saying, "If you are interested, I can promptly send over a straightforward pricing option that includes usage rights and ready-to-post cuts for all platforms," and then sign off. Always ensure your portfolio link is extremely easy to access, because if a brand has to click through 5 different pages, they are highly likely to give up. Pro tip, make sure your absolute best 3 portfolio examples are pinned right at the very top so the brand manager doesn't have to dig deep to be impressed. Regarding the necessary administrative side, brands will usually send you their standard contract first for you to review before moving forward. For checking the validity of any standard clauses or identifying potential red flags, generative AI tools can offer a helpful first pass at analysis. However, for any uniquely complex or extremely high-value deals, it is always wise and safer to consult with an actual legal professional for specific advice. On the subject of taxes, you must treat your UGC earnings as a legitimate business operation, which unlocks valuable deductions you miss as a traditional employee. While I cannot give specifics, please speak with a qualified tax professional to ensure you handle your specific financial obligations correctly from day one. Don't let the initial fear of taxes prevent you from starting this incredibly lucrative journey right now, because the opportunity cost is too high to wait. Scaling is your next major goal. Once you have a process that is proven to work repeatably, you scale by packaging your services into monthly retainer deals. For example, offer a package of 8 clips per month that includes automated scheduling and basic performance analytics for a fixed monthly fee. Use the AI tools to generate initial script drafts and first-pass edits, but always run the final version through your unique, authentic creative eye before delivery. This is where Vizard becomes indispensable again, automating the clip selection and scheduling, so your delivery time shrinks from days down to mere hours. You need to balance both active client pitching for immediate work and consistent organic content creation for long-term, better-paying leads. Pitching secures those initial opportunities quickly, whereas good organic posting naturally attracts higher quality, more invested clients over a longer period. Post your UGC work just like an influencer would. Show off the positive results you achieved, share behind-the-scenes looks, and teach valuable lessons. Brands seeing that you can consistently create excellent content and even grow an engaged audience are far more willing to pay you premium agency-level rates. Let's recap your entire actionable workflow in 7 quick steps to make sure nothing gets missed as you get started today. Step 1. Decide on your niche and immediately craft those 3 to 5 killer clips for your initial portfolio. Step 2 involves shooting a large batch of high-quality raw footage using your phone and prioritizing beautiful, abundant, natural light. Step 3 is feeding that batch into Vizard to automatically find and pull out all the best viral-ready short clips using its intelligent system. Step 4. Use free editors like CapCut for any final minor fine-tuning or to quickly adjust the text overlays if absolutely necessary. Step 5 is letting Vizard auto-schedule the content across platforms and relying on its centralized calendar to keep you organized automatically. Step 6 involves either actively pitching with that strong template or focusing on inbound leads generated by your excellent organic presence online. And finally, Step 7 is packaging your services into scalable monthly retainers and continually using AI to speed up your overall production. Look, I genuinely believe this is the most accessible and exciting time in the entire history of the internet to actually start building a real income stream from home. Between the sophistication of script writing AI, the rapid video generators, and workflow automation tools like Vizard handling the hard parts, your path is clear. Do not get paralyzed by overthinking the camera gear. Start immediately with the phone you already own and commit to posting consistently every single week. Use tools to eliminate the busy work so you can focus your best energy on the creative strategy and the business development that truly moves the needle forward. If you have any lingering questions about any of these steps, please drop them into the comments section below because I actively read every reply when I can. Also, if you want a powerful free resource to build out your portfolio even faster, I've created a starter pack to shoot 3 clip types in one session. You can use that pack to leverage Vizard's power to instantly convert those raw clips into multiple short videos, and the link for that is waiting for you in the description. If this comprehensive walkthrough gave you the clarity and the confidence you needed, please smash that like button and subscribe right away so I can keep delivering more free courses. All right, everyone, it is officially time for you to go out there and start creating content that captures attention and drives real results for brands. Start small, maintain that consistency we talked about, and always rely on smart tools like Vizard to handle the repetitive, time-consuming tasks. This frees you up to focus purely on the creative vision and the overarching business strategy that will secure your financial future. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I truly look forward to seeing you dominate this space, and I will see you in the very next video lesson. Bye for now.